Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Astraea Keva. I'm a visual artist. I create semi-realistic paintings with various topics in mind. I also create cover art for web novels and webcomics for different writers and publication companies. I create fundamental art such as gesture drawings and anatomy studies on this YouTube channel. And last but not least, soon I will begin to share with you guys my webcomic creation process. I also create tips and tricks on how to study art in a more efficient and simple manner. With a lot of information that's out there, I struggled a lot as an artist, especially a self-taught artist, on how to study the fundamentals of art. But I will share these simple processes with you guys as best as I possibly can. If you want more in-depth information, you can check out my Patreon page, which I will share soon. With that, I thank you so much guys for watching my channel, and feel free to subscribe, like and share the content. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.